Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I will be reacting to a music video. This is called Namma Stories, the South Anthem. I'm really excited to check this out because this was dropped yesterday by Netflix India. And this song has been performed by 4 artists. Now Arivu, I know Arivu already. And I thought before reacting to this song, I should at least know something about the other 3 artists. So NJ, when I typed NJ musician, Neeraj Madhav's photo popped out. I had no idea that Neeraj Madhav was also a rapper and a musician. I had absolutely no idea. I only knew of Neeraj Madhav because of Family Man season 1. But okay, this was a new information that I got. Then we have Siri. She's a female rapper. She hails from Bangalore and she can rap like in Telugu, Kannada, Hindi and English. That's the basic gist that I found out. And the 4th artist is called Hanumankind or Hanumankind. I don't know how it is pronounced. Please correct me in the comment section. And he is also a rapper who is from Kerala, but I think he's settled in Bangalore at the moment. So yes, I'm really excited. Though I understand that the rhyming and all these wordplay and everything, I'll miss out because of I won't be able to understand because of the translation. So the bars, as people call this, is a new word I've learned in hip hop, bars. So I'll miss out on the bars basically, because obviously in translation the actual punch of the wordplay and everything gets lost somewhere. So yes, I really don't want to delay it any further. I want to enjoy the song. I'll see what the song is about. The South Anthem. Superbly excited. Okay, let us begin.
Once upon a time, ஒரு ஊர்ல பாடல் அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் மாறல். என்ன கதை அகர முதல்ல வந்த கதை, தமிழின் அழகு சொன்ன கதை, அகில அறிந்த நம்ம கதை, கலையில் மொழியில் அறிவில் மகுடம் தரித்து தமிழன் நின்ன கதை. பாட்டி வட சுட்டா ஆத்தலா டீ கதை, வீட்டு தின்ன மேல எத்தனை சூப்பர் கதை, காட்டுல மேட்டுல சுத்துன கலைஞனின் கதை, மூச்சில் இருக்குது உலகின் முதன் மொழி. எங்க திரும்பினாலும் எங்க கதை மண்ண தொண்ட கிடைக்கும், முன்ன கதை ஒண்ணு போறவா, நினைப்பத சொல்லி கொள்ளு துணிவா, இருப்பத விசிலு பறக்க வசனம் தெரிக்க, விசிறி முழுக்க புசுர குடிக்க, திரைய விளக்க தலைவன் நடிக்க. இந்த பாரு நம்ம ஸ்டோரிஸ், இந்த பாரு நம்ம ஸ்டோரிஸ்.
ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ ಜನಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನನ್ನ ದುಡಿಮೆ, ಕಿರಿಪಾಡಿಗಳ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಲಗೆ, ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಟಗರು ಐತೆ ಟಗರು, ಯೂ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆ ಮುಂದೋಗಬೇಕ ಜೋರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕೊಡಗು ಆಡ್ ಭಾಷೆ ಹಲವು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಕಾಫಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮದ್ದರೋಡೆ ಸೊಗಸು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೀರ ಈಗ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಮ್ಮಿ ಸುದೀಪ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಯಶ್ ಹೆಸರು ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಉಮಾಶ್ರೀ ಮಾಲಾಶ್ರೀ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಭಾರತಿ ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ಇವರು ಲೆಜೆಂಡರಿ. ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಪಡ್ಕೊನೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ರಿಗಿ ಕೇಜ್ ಗ್ರಾಮಿಲಿ. This Southside fix, click that bang with a drip, drop it
really
on
like
the
her.
merch. Midas touch never jinx, finest one in the list. Find that stuff man, let's. Crimes are up when I spit, Southside up in this bitch.
kadamna kadamana sonda kadamana south ganata, nuvu vinetuga mansu bipetaka, vache mana lokaniki, bujapalli nundi ee provinceaniki, Hyderabad biryani vidulu rijali, vinandi babadi chudandi kajani kirak macha.
Move to Andhra now.
KLTNKATS AP Southside,
Yes.
you know we the
Wow.
best. Ooh. Don't matter the city, these southern committees the flyest around. Where the women are pretty, the weather is great with immaculate sounds. From the sound and the style, it's steady picking up on southern decorum. Kings and queens, my side, the others ain't ready for what we got for them. Celebrate like it's on them, bring out the glasses and see how we pour them. All about boy out there, you can afford them. Hustle at night and sip chai in the mornings. Ooh, came through with no warning. Now that we here, no way you can ignore them. Landed the lungi and liquor that's foreign. Tell all your people it's best you inform them.
മലയാളി വന്നടാ, ആർപ്പ് വിളിക്കടാ, സീൻ മാറി സൗച്ചടിൽ തീ പാറി പണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ പൊള്ളിയാണ് കഴിവിന്റെ പേമാരി മലയാള സിനിമകൾ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയുടെ ഗതി മാറ്റി നെറ്റ്ഫ്ലിക്സിൽ പടം കണ്ട് നിന്റെയൊക്കെ കിളി മാറി തോട്ടങ്ങൾ ലെഗസി 10% ലിറ്ററസി ശശി തരൂരിന്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രൊഫിഷ്യൻസി ഓസ്കാർ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് റസൂല് പൂക്കുട്ടി നെഞ്ചിൽ കുടി കൊള്ളുന്നു മോഹൻലാൽ മമ്മൂട്ടി എവിടെ പോയാലും ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും മലയാളത്തിൽ പൊറോട്ടയും ബീഫും ഞാൻ തിന്നും അധികാലത്ത് മുണ്ടും മാടിക്കെട്ടി ചെണ്ട താളം കൊട്ടി കിടതകത കൊട്ടിക്കേറ് പഞ്ചവാദ്യം കളരി പയ്യറ്റിൽ അങ്കമാദ്യം കഥകളിയുടെ വൃന്ദവാദ്യം തിത്തിത്താരാതെ വള്ളംകളിയുടെ ചൊല്ല് വെക്കിട്ടേറാൻ വന്നാൽ മുറുകും നാടൻ തല്ല് തമിഴെണ്ണ ചമ്പീട തെലുഗു മച്ചമ്പീട ബാംഗ്ലൂർ ഗല്ലിന്റെ ബോയ്സ് എല്ലാം മല്ലൂടെ സൗത്ത് സൈഡ് സ്ട്രോങ് ബോയ് കലക്ക് കലക്ക് തെറിക്ക് തെറിക്ക് പറക്ക് പറക്ക് നോക്ക് നമ്മ സ്റ്റോറീസ് കലക്ക് കലക്ക് തെറിക്ക് തെറിക്ക് പറക്ക് പറക്ക് മച്ചാൻ നമ്മ സ്റ്റോറീസ് കേട്ട് നോക്ക് നമ്മ സ്റ്റോറീസ്
Oh wow!
Crack മച്ചാൻ നമ്മ stories.
Yes! I'm sorry, I've witnessed too much awesomeness in span of 4 minutes. In span of 4 minutes, this was too much to take. This was way too much awesomeness just packed in 4 minutes. Guys, I loved it. Netflix India. Just mwah! What a fantastic thing that you have produced and given to the audience. Just brilliant. I'm sorry, there's just too many things. There's just too many things to unravel in this song. There's just too many things. Firstly, I have to listen to this probably, multiple times because it's that awesome. But the wordplay, the lyrics and everything, I got the gist. So this is, I really liked when okay, let me start from the beginning. Let's just break it down. Okay, let's go back. This needs analysis. This is not just any song. Okay, this needs analysis. I'm too impressed. We start with Arevo. Okay, he talks about Tamil Nadu, right? So it's like one state, one by one, and then the entire South Indian, South Indian industry, of course, in respect with Netflix India, because at the end you see all the movies that are there on Netflix India from various industries, Malayalam industry, Tamil, then Telugu, Kannada, all of that, that combination was there. So when Arivu starts over here, okay, we'll break it down, guys. This is too awesome.
Moral.
This beat. Thantana, 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 thantana. Oh my goodness. Because I wanna guys, this is gonna be a little longer video. I did not expect it to be so awesomely, varied in terms of all the 4 artists rapping. It's just not a single beat. It's just so many variations and the lyrics. I'm sorry, I'm too hyped. Okay, so yeah, so when Arivu starts this beginning music.
Moral.
So this is what he says, of course. So I'm guessing all the 4, of course, because Hanuman kind or Hanuman kind, I don't know how it's pronounced, he rapped in English. And Arivu, I'm guessing, of course, he's rapping in Tamil. Then Siri, she's rapping in Kannada, right? Please let me know. Then who rapped in Telugu? Because NJ rapped in Malayalam. Please let me know, guys. Let me know. Okay, so this beat, and then he talks about the story of how Patti made vadai. Now, I don't know what this means. There are a couple of lines which were completely like bouncer. There's too many references that I did not get. But I understood, the first language reference, the ancient history. He's revering about the ancient history. I really loved that, and I understood that reference. Then our stories have traveled through the world. Then he says about, we give everything, the audiences give everything to the actors, to the stars, it's that passionate, right? Then ruled over language, art and intellect. This I understood. stories shared in tea stalls, of course. There's a couple of references that I didn't understand. Then stories of artists, the stories in the world's first language that lives in our breath. So this was really nice lines, really nice lines. And then when the beat drops and he says Namma story, that beat is fantastic.
எங்க திரும்பினாலும் எங்க கதை மண்ண தொண்ட கிடைக்கும் முன்ன கதை உள்ளுக்குள்ள போறவா நினைப்பத சொல்லி கொள்ளு துணிவா இருப்பத விசிலு பறக்க வசனம் தெரிக்க விசிறி
Thanksgiving their
முடுக்க
everything star.
விளக்க தலைவன் நடிக்க இந்த பாரு நம்ம ஸ்டோரிஸ்
How the beat changes, it just completely like shifts the mood of the song. It's fantastic. Whoever has mastered and mixed the song, given the composition, like kudos, man. I'll check it in the description, but let's just go through the song first. So that's Arivu's part. Brilliant. And then after that, when Siri comes, I love the way she rapped. I love the way she rapped. I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome. I'm guessing she's rapping in Kannada because the references were of Karnataka. So that's what I mean.
ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ ಜನಗಳ
And then the way the beat changes, I think the beat changes were just absolutely fantastic. It didn't feel off. Usually what happens when I listen to a song, if there are too many beat variations, if not done properly, then I feel completely out of it. I just don't feel the vibe of the song. But here it seemed like, all four artists seemed different. They gave their own flavor to it, and yet it sounded a beautiful single, like full one song. It was brilliant. Guys, this was awesome.
இந்த பாரு நம்ம ஸ்டோரிஸ்
ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ ಜನಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನನ್ನ
The way
ದುಡಿಮೆ
it
ಕಿರಿಕ್
changes.
ಪಾಡಿಗಳ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಲಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಟಗರು ಐತೆ ಪೊಗರು ಯೂ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆ ಮುಂದೋಗಬೇಕು
So she talks about artists like Deepika Padukone and all of that, and it's just so beautiful. Her flow is fantastic with Arivu, sort of rapping in mid tempo. I should say, I really don't know all the rap terms, but then the flow completely changes with Siri. Fantastic. And these are, I'm sure, the artists' name hailing from Karnataka. Umashri, Malashri, Kalpana, Bharti. Like it's a homage to all of these. Sudeep, Rajkumar, Yash. All the super duper hit actors from this industry. It's just fantastic. Deepika, Shilpa Shetty, and all of that. They're from Bangalore. Ricky Cage in the Grammy. So yes, so it's about the artists that hail from South India, various states of South India. Oh my God, what a song they have made. Netflix India, you have done a fabulous job. And then Midas touch, never jinxed, finest one in the list.
Finest.
So these are the lines, couple of lines which I really have to watch this video again. And then then Arivu comes, and then oh my goodness, him. He starts with naming all the states. He starts with all TN. Again a beat change. So KL, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana state, and Andhra Pradesh. He names first all the states. That's how he starts his rap. It's fantastic, guys. This is the creativity at its best.
TNKATS
So happy.
Southside, we the
Yes.
best. Ooh,
And then
the city, these southern committees to flash around.
yes, so he is talking about the overall. He's talking about everything together, and I loved his rapping as well. All of them, but I think the biggest surprise for me was Neeraj Madhav. He was fabulous. I had no idea that he was such a fabulous rapper. I'm sure he has more songs, huh? I only knew him as an actor. I didn't even know NJ is Neeraj Madhav. Oh my God. So he talks about overall king and queens from my side, king and queens my side. The others ain't ready for what we got for them. This is overall. He's not talking about any particular state. He's talking about overall, South India. Then I think somewhere he references Hyderabad. That I will check again. But then NJ comes and he slays.
Tell all your people it's best you inform them.
മലയാളി വന്നടാ
The beat change.
സീൻ മാറി സൗച്ചലിൽ തീ പാറി പണ്ട് ഞങ്ങ പൊള്ളിയാണ് കഴിവിന്റെ പേമാരി മലയാള
I love this. I love this. And here, because I am out of all the movie industries from South India, Malayalam industry is the most well versed that I am with, followed by Tamil film industry. So here, Neeraj's rap, NJ's rap, I got most of the reference. So it felt like, this I know. So yes, I loved his rapping. I'm sure he has more songs. Please let me know. Like folding up on Mundu. I know what Mundu means. It means look. Oh wow, I loved his rap because I got most of the references here. Most of them. What does this mean? Teriku? Do let me know. Terik. Sorry, U is always not pronounced. Terik. So do let me know what that means, guys. So yeah, that was Namma Stories. This has become a very long reaction. I didn't expect it to be this long because usually in music video reactions I don't do so much breakdown, but this really impressed me. Guys. Netflix India, well done. That's how you promote, all the industries together, show the unity and everything. This is not just about Netflix sort of showing different industries from South India and promoting it, that go watch these movies in the platform. This also gives viewers, everybody, a sense of unity. It feels nice. It has a very positive vibe. It's just overall made me so freaking happy. The song is great, the picturization is great, the lyrics are great, the beats are great. Everything is great. No complaints. Absolutely. It's 100 on 10, guys. It's 100 on 10. What did you think? Please let me know. Couple of references which you think that I missed out. Please do comment that as well. And yeah, that was my reaction for Namma Stories, the South Anthem. Once again, all the 4 artists did a fabulous job. Fantastic. Let me just see before I sign off who has composed this. Mixed and mastered by Devang Raj at Tonework. You deserve all the applause. Over here. So yes, that was it, guys, from me. I'll sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Namma Stories.